The question of English being an Indian language or not was one that was very prominent among the 20th century poets, which is my area of research and my area of focus. However, I think that for me, by the time I started writing, it became an arbitrary question. I think that English is an Indian language, and it's this hodgepodge, mixed breed of a language that I speak, which takes from Tamil and Hindi and Urdu and some Sanskrit and just about every Marathi in Bombay and just about every language all around. So all of these influences, I think they taught me that the freedom that I find in poetry is not that you have to write something perfectly, but it's the chance to play with words. And if that means turning them around, making them do cartwheels, uh, putting them one on top of the other. Arun Kolatkar, for instance, he wrote a poem called The Butterfly, which is in Marathi, which is literally words all over the page like a butterfly flying. So
Oh.
that's what makes me feel so liberated, is that poetry is not about proper language. It's about playing with language.
Mm.
This is what I take from the Bombay poets. It was finally, they were speaking in a language that felt like it was mine. It's not English, it's not Hindi, it's not Marathi. It's this, mixed breed of a language
Understood.
that I write in only because of them.